Information literacy is about more than just finding information. It's about knowing what you need. An information literate person can identify the nature and extent of the information they need. Think of it as knowing what question to ask before you start searching. Knowing what you need is the first step towards finding it effectively.
Once you know what you need to find it. An information literate person can find needed information effectively and efficiently. Finding the right information is a skill that can be learned and improved.
Not all information is created equal. An information literate person can evaluate information and its sources critically. This means asking questions about the information's accuracy, reliability, and bias. Evaluating information is essential for making informed decisions.
Information is useless if you don't know how to use it. Information is Applying information is the ultimate goal of information literacy.
Information doesn't exist in a vacuum. An information literate person can acknowledge sources of information and the ethical, legal, and socio-economic issues surrounding it. This means being aware of the impact of information and using it responsibly. Being aware of the content of information is crucial for ethical and responsible use.